I'm back again with a new watch. I'm back in Sweden, not as sunny as in Spain. This week I'm going to show you a new watch. I promised you to show you the PAM 1048, but I changed it because I was in a store in Stockholm and trying to buy some new watches, but I changed my mind. This watch I'm gonna unbox today. It's not a new watch. I have opened the box and everything and done some cool stuff with this watch. But first I'm gonna tell you a little bit about myself. I have a family, a wife and 2 sons. I'm playing golf on my spare time, and my work, I own 3 restaurants in a big restaurant chain. I'm 41 years old. Now I'm going to begin the unboxing with this watch. It's a Topher C60 Trident GMT 600, and it's a limited edition of 300 watches. It's a box in paper first here, you see. Then we have the box here. It's a hard case made in, I don't know what the material is, but it's a pretty cool watch. Topher Ward you see here, and then the logo over. Here we have the papers for the watch. You see my golf gloves here. It's a summer golf glove and a winter golf glove, because in Sweden it's very cold to play golf in the fall. Here you see the certificate. It's a C60 and it's the watch 240 of 300, and I bought this in May. Nice C60 Trident bronze GMT 600 limited edition. Topher Ward. Put away this paper box, and as I said, I have done some cool stuff with this watch because it's a bronze watch, and watch is here. It's what I call it. It's a petroleum blue dial, but I think in the description of Topher Ward it's a deep blue. And it has a screw down bezel, and you see the second hand, it has the Trident thing that Topher Ward uses, and it's that's the hour hand, minute hand, and the GMT in some light blue color. And it has a date, like you see on the 3-hour point there. So now I'm gonna take out the watch and tell you a little bit about it. I think a bronze watch should look old, and this one does. It's a new one, but I made it look old by myself. It has a stainless case under it. It's stainless steel, Topher Ward Trident Pro 600, Swiss made. And it has a 43mm case with a 13.3mm height on the case. The case weight is 107 grams, same caliber as the Oris I showed you last week. It's the Sellita SV 200-1, and it has a frequency of 28,800. And what I have done with this watch, the bronze looks like gold when it's new, but I took this bag this bag, and it's an IKEA bag. I boiled some old eggs for like 12 minutes. Then I took away the strap, put something under to hold up the case so it doesn't touch the bag. Put in something in the bag to hold the bag above the watch so it doesn't touch the case all over it, under or over. And I put in this one too, in the bag. And then I put in the eggs with the watch and everything, and then I smash the eggs and let them be there for 5 minutes. Then you get this cool looking bronze watch. And then to make the strap look old, I took some hand rub solution and put it all over the strap. Then I used sandpaper to rub the strap so it looks a little bit older. And it was brown, and you see the light brown color come up in the strap, and it's a little bit scratched too. And you see the strap, it's a little bit scratched all over the place, so it looks a little bit cooler. This watch is a very sturdy watch. It has a 600-meter water resistant, and it has a sapphire glass who is 3.4 millimeters thick. So it's a very, very sturdy watch. So that's all about this watch. It's a great watch, and next week we'll see a new watch. Thank you guys, and take care.